Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Temu app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Temu and you will enter here. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Temu. Then if you find update here, you will update your app. So that's all done for